उन्हीं को मिलती है। सुना तो होगा ही, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। So today, I, Anshika Singhal, welcome the SRCC batch of 2024 on the behalf of a society which does not believe only in words but actions as well, which does not just set destinations but also prepare the way to get those destinations, which is not just named Wings of Fire but also provides you real wings to fly high and key to the wisdom and knowledge to set fire. So, welcome you all to the grand orientation of Wings of Fire SRCC. First of all, many congratulations to all of you for making it to SRCC. अभी तो सिर्फ एक दरिया पार किया है, सफर अभी बाकी है। अभी तो सिर्फ एक दरिया पार किया है, सफर अभी बाकी है। मत थम जाना, मत थम जाना, बस यहीं अब असली मंजर देखना अभी बाकी है। SRCC is not your final destination, it's a beginning of a new journey. We want you to make Wings of Fire a part of your beautiful journey ahead. When two journeys will meet, the result is definitely going to be extraordinary. We know at this moment you all have many questions for us, like who we are, what we do. Is this the society only for CAs or others can even join? What is our aim? What skills even you need to be a part of this journey? And many more questions like this. But don't worry, guys, we are here to cater all your doubts. I promise by the end of the orientation, you will leave the meeting with all your doubts resolved and a desire to join Wings of Fire. So now, I will be handing over the platform to our cabinet members to take you all ahead.
Thank you so much, Anshika. So now, without any further ado, I would like to begin by briefing you all about who we are and the mission of our society, Wings of Fire. Next slide, please. So Wings of Fire, Shriram College of Commerce is basically a student-to-student assistance initiative to help and empower future professionals to get the best out of their college life. Our vision is to contribute to the personal and professional development of each and every member of our society. We aim to give a mini corporate club kind of experience where you get to learn practical skills, network with other members, be leaders, ideators, help others, and at the same time be guided by our amazing network of seniors. Please change the slide. So our society has been founded in 2016 and is based on two mottos. The first one being sharing is caring, where we guide students pursuing professional courses like CA, CFA, MBA, and so on. And at the same time, we also provide full assistance to those who are not pursuing any specific professional course and help them balance academics along with learning the much needed soft skills like leadership, teamwork, public speaking, and so on. Our second motto is Together We Learn. We believe that learning should never stop. For this, we conduct numerous workshops and events where we invite experienced corporate leaders and also release enriching and knowledgeable content for all our audience across our social media handles. So our mission is to give guidance and assistance to all so that each and every member gets numerous opportunities in order to enhance their learning. We also aim to provide networking opportunities, not only within your batch, but also with people from diverse spheres such as IIMs, Big Fours, investment banking, and other fields. We help our members to become leaders and in the journey also build amazing bonds and memories. Uddhav, next slide, please. So this is our team of third year cabinet members, and we are backed by a team of 70 plus second years who are taking great efforts to make all our initiatives and events possible. So we really appreciate all the efforts taken by our second years. Now, I would like to hand over to the president of our society, Utkarsh.
Yeah, how are you all? It's really great to meet you all. So we know that the main question arising in our minds currently would be that Wings of Fire is a society for those who are doing CA. Like that's the perfect mindset that is set for Wings of Fire. So here we are with our alumni of Wings of Fire, and we'll be showing that we are not just around CAs, but our alumni have been everywhere. We'll be starting with Bhavya Dugardi. She is currently in JP Morgan Chase and Company. She has also cleared CFA level 2, and she had AI at 12 in CA intermediate. You can also see that we have people from Marico, we have people from Big Fours. Prakhar Vashni Bhaiya as a staff accountant at BSR and Company, which uses the brand name of KPMG. He has secured AIR 42 in CA Inter also. And if you talk about consultancy, we have Adarsh Agarwal Bhaiya. He's a senior associate at BCG, and he has done his MBA from IIM Indore. Next slide, please. Okay, so I guess you all must be knowing Suryansh Agarwal Bhaiya. He was like one of the most genius people I've ever seen. He has secured CA final AIR1, and he's currently a finance manager at HUL. He's also ex-EY. Bhumika Sankladi is very famous she's very famous on YouTube. She's an industrial trainee at ABG. She is also doing her CFA level 3, and she secured AIR 17 in CA IPCC. Then we'll meet Sahib Deep Bhaiya. Sahib Deep Bhaiya is officially the founder of Wings of Fire. He came out with the idea that we need a society which assists people with professional courses like CA, CS, CMA, CFA, or MBA also. Then we have Pranit Bhaiya, who is an analyst at Nomura. So the whole purpose of saying this and meeting our alumni is that we are not only inclined towards CA, we are assisting everywhere, be it college placements, be it MBA, be it CA, or anything else. We are for everyone. Next slide, please. Yeah. So they are just seniors. They have passed out in 2021. They have also got into Big Fours. They have also got into JP Morgan Chase and Company. So yeah, the main purpose is that only. Harsh Somani Bhaiya has secured admission in IIM Calcutta also this year, and he has also cleared CA intermediate. So what one else needs if he is clearing CA IPCC and then getting into IIMs? That's icing on the cake. Then we'll meet our achievers of CA Intermediate 2020, though we have rankers every year in CA Intermediate and CA Foundation, but we'll get you meet the latest rank holders of our. We had Raghav, Pari, and Harshita. Harshita is here. Pari is also here. So they had ranks in CA Intermediate, and out of the 26 people we had giving CA Intermediate last year, 23 of them had cleared CA Intermediate. So a pass percentage of more than like around 90%. So this is Wings of Fire for you. This is not only for CA, it is for CAT also, it is for CS also, and everything that you have to do. Yeah, next slide, please. Okay, so now we'll be going you all through the events we organize and why are we famous for.
Thank you, Utkarsh. Now I'll be talking about the two main events that we organize. The first is Winter School. So Winter School is a unique incubation program in Delhi University where students from different academic backgrounds come together in a conducive environment to complement their college education and achieve holistic development. Last year, at the time when entire world was caught in shackles of global pandemic of COVID 2019, Wings of Fire SRCC utilized the online platform to conduct a 6-day winter school, which was aimed at bridging the gap between what students achieve in college and what is expected from them in the real world. So in this third edition of Winter School, we received around 180 plus applications, out of which 65 undergraduate students were selected from 6 universities all over the world, and we put them in a school-like environment. Here we witnessed around 24 sessions and one competition which was delivered by faculty over a period of 6 days, consisting of professors, recent pass outs, and eminent personalities who were undoubtedly the best in their respective fields. Diversity of participants is something that makes it one of a kind program where learning extends well beyond the sessions being conducted. We had bright and keen minds from all over India, which recognized winter school as an opportunity
I guess Mugdha has been disconnected due to connectivity issues. We can come back to winter school later. We can move on to the next slide for now. Yeah.
Yeah, so next talk about the CA Confluence. In order to celebrate Chartered Accountancy, we host a flagship event named CA Conference every year in the month of February. It is one of the most awaited events by the CA aspirants from all over the country, and it's a one-day event witness a footfall of 600 plus students, and was staged by the dignitaries who had made and marked their achievements due to their exceptional contribution. The event aim at giving the exposure and the experience required by the students pursuing professional courses during the journey. The event gives opportunities to the students to witness wonderful speakers and rank holders like CA Naveen Andy Gupta, former ICI president, Mr. Amit Gur, the partner assistant at EY, CA Gaurav Khandelwal, Mr. Siddharth Bandari, Chief AIR1 in 2019 CA intermediate exams, and many more. In this, we also organize a panel discussion on CA and entrepreneurship, and also a talk show with the actors in the model like CA Ashwin Mehta, and town hall session with the top leaders of the Big Four who shared their experience while working in these Big Four companies. In order to energize the environment by injecting humor in the environment, we organize stand-up comedy and the talent con, which served as the perfect entertainment for the audience. You guys will let you know about the talent con in the latter part of this presentation. Now move to the next slide, that is Adhyata. To poke the research frontiers with the arguing minds, Wings of Fire SRCC conduct a research paper competition named Adhyata. It provides the undergraduates and the postgraduate students with the unique opportunities to express the research world and present and demonstrate their work and win amazing prizes. It we conduct this Adhyata event with the event of CA Confluence only. So let's move to the next slide. It's a small clip regarding the talent con.
So as you can see, the various talents of different participants we had this year in the Talent Con. So Talent Con is a bit different from all of our other initiatives and events. So as the name suggests, it's a platform which provides the participants from all over the India to show their talents and realize their full potential. TalentCon gives the participants public exposure, recognition from institutes like ICMAI, and experience of participating in a country-wide competition organized by the best commerce college of India. So what's in it for you guys? Must be the question in your mind. Firstly, you will get the wide exposure from tapping companies to convincing them for collaborations. Along with this, technical, creative, and marketing skills would obviously be developed when you ideate this event and organize it wholly. Next slide.
So apart from our flagship events that we conduct each year, that is the CA Confluence and the Winter School, Wings also host various other initiatives for constant learning of its participants. So starting on from here, we have various initiatives that we launch every year. So some of these are Wisdom Workroom, Career Vista, WhatsApp Guidance, Finopsis, Taxogan, and articles and podcasts. So starting on from here, Wisdom Workroom is one of the core series we are focusing on here. So hi guys, I'm Ayushi, team lead at Wisdom Workroom. So Wisdom Workroom is basically a workshop series that we host every year, which showed a participation of 360 plus attendees of more than 10 hours of successful learning. Since now it's been a month, you are into college, into SRCC, but I hope you have attended few workshops as well. So, but till now you were only involved only as an audience, but you might be wondering what backstage looks like. So if you are the one here, it's the right place for you. Wisdom Workroom provides each kind of experience that you require for planning, organizing, conducting a successful workshop from the ground level. So having said that, here is a glimpse of what we all had done till now. So till now we have conducted 6 educational workshops with around 360 plus attendees. Also, since this is just a beginning and there is a lot more that we can ideate and execute, so we welcome you all to join this. And this is something which has created an impact for sure. So handing off here to Nidhi.
So hello guys, I'm Nidhi, one of the team leads at Career Vista. Now Career Vista is a counseling initiative of Wings of Fire. Many students, as you may have experienced, that we don't have resource person to guide them, to guide us on the career prospects that we have in the commerce field. So Career Vista is an initiative where we guide the students of class 11th and 12th about various career options available to them and that they can pursue with a very detailed discussion and the end and solving their queries. So we have successfully conducted sessions and helped 120 plus students in taking informed decisions. In this initiative, our aim is to reach to the maximum students in our country from various schools and engage with them through online sessions. Now, you must be wondering that what you are expected to do under this initiative. So you just need to reach out to your peers or your juniors and host interactive sessions. So you will also get an exposure and an add-on to your skills, communication skills, networking skills, and technical skills, because you are the guys that will be handling all the work related to the sessions and we will be guiding you. So handing over the next slide.
Hello, I am Pari Gupta, your team lead at WhatsApp Guidance. We all know that our faith can move mountains, but our doubts can create one. When we are preparing for CA Foundation or CA Inter or any competitive exam, we generally come up with a lot of doubts and we want to have its solution as quick as possible. But the coaching institutes are not able to solve this problem. So in WhatsApp Guidance, you can post your doubts in the groups and get it resolved within a day. You can also interact with your peers and talk about recent amendments of ICR notifications. You can discuss tips regarding your exams and how to score good in that. We try to motivate you daily and try to support you in every way we can. And so join us in this great initiative as knowledge increases not by saving, but by sharing. Hope you all will apply and get selected. All the best. Yeah, next slide, please.
I guess Mugdha is back and we can continue the winter school ones.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, you are. Can we move
Yes.
to the winter school slide once?
Okay, first of all, I apologize for the inconvenience caused due to my network issue. Now, talking about winter school. So, this is a unique incubation program in Delhi University where students from different academic backgrounds come together in a conducive environment to complement their college education and achieve holistic development. At the time when entire world was caught in shackles of global pandemic, Wings of Fire SRCC utilized the online platform to conduct a 6-year winter school, which aimed at bridging the gap between what students achieve in college and what is expected from them in the real world. In the third edition of Winter School, which we had around in February 2021, we received around 180 plus registrations, out of which 65 undergraduate students were selected from 6 universities all over the country, and we put them back in the school-like environment. Here we organized around 24 sessions and also one competition, which were hosted by professors, recent pass outs, and eminent personalities who were undoubtedly the best in their respective fields. Diversity of participants is something which makes it one of a kind program where learning extends well beyond the sessions conducted. Bright and keen minds from all over the country saw winter school as an opportunity to make themselves better equipped for the professional world and challenge each other to make the program even more successful than we anticipated. Next slide, please. We organized a number of sessions on various fields like finance, consultancy, dramatics, debating, newspaper reading, and technology. And as far as the talks and events were concerned, we covered the aspects like college and professional courses, placements, higher education, research, CV building, startup talks, industrial talks. Moving on to next slide.
Meanwhile, it is worth telling that our winter school initiative was so well recognized that even principal ma'am of SRCC had told us to bring out more versions of this, like you can do spring schools, you can do summer schools. So winter school is something which is like people love that. Students are ready to invest any amount for just joining winter school. That's the quality. Yeah, we can move ahead.
Devesh, please move to Phenopsis. Yeah, so hello guys, I am your team lead for the Phenopsis. The Phenopsis is a newsletter of around 10 pages started by the Wings of Fire SRCC with the aim of keeping students updated from recent development trend in financial market, economics, personal finance, stock market, and taxation like subjects. We release newsletter every month containing important news of the month along with small reporting video. It's a small video of 8 minutes in which we present the news that we mentioned in the newsletter. Like we only present the headlines and important points of the news, and all this content is released on our social media website and a YouTube channel. So all the best for your further application. Thank you.
Devesh, please move to articles and podcast slide also.
Okay, after that you can continue with taxonomy.
Okay, talking about this initiative, this is one of our recent initiatives where we covered sizzling and current topics in our informative blog articles. So if you have no time to read and still want to get updated with the latest happenings, here we have our Spotify podcast wherein we cover diverse topics and we cater to everyone's needs and tastes. Already we have published a number of articles. Some of them are like rise of OTT platforms, decoding SPAC, technology in education, and looking forward for much more. Over to you, Mansi.
Thanks, Mukta. Devesh, come to taxonomy slide, please.
So, hey everyone, I am Mansi Jaiswal, one of the team lead for this Taxogram initiative. So yeah, as you all know, tax is not just a three-letter word. It actually the price that we pay for the country we want to contribute and to flourish. So realizing the importance of taxation that holds for all, SRCC Wings of Fire took up this initiative, Taxogyan, aiming to communicate a new concepts or brush up your existing knowledge about the taxation. So basically, wherein we this under this initiative, we release a post every month wherein we provide a 360-degree holistic and comprehensive understanding of the text scenarios in a very simple and very basic language that can be understandable with a non-commerce student as well. We provide the latest updates in the taxation and provide accurate facts about this particular subject. Till now, we have released 40 plus posts and reached over 360 plus readers till date. So hope you all will join this initiative and hope to see you in under this initiative. Over to you guys.
So hello everyone. So now I'll be providing you insights of the departments that we are going to have. So the very first department is research department. So here you will be investing on a lot of intriguing topics, maybe articles, maybe preparing reports, and you will have to look into the sources and to provide your insights on it. And your work will be published on our websites as well. The second one is the corporate communications. So here you will get exposure to the corporate sector, wherein you will be actually dealing with the corporates for the collaboration purpose, for the sponsorship purpose of our events. And this will actually hone your speaking skills to a very great extent. The third one is marketing department. So as you have already seen that we are having a lot of events and we'll be having a lot of events further as well. So it's really very important that our work reaches the right audience, reaches the correct set of people. And our staffs should reach to a great extent. And for this, marketing is something which is going to play a very important role. And for this, we have got this department for you. And the last one is technical department. So to make your context more interesting, more intriguing, we will be needing creativity. There will be some technicalities involved in it so that it can be greatly understood by the people. And this is going to hone your creative skills, technical skills to a great extent. And for this, we have got this technical department for you. Over to you guys.
Okay, so you might be thinking like, do we need anything already to register for the society? Like I said in the earlier said that you require CA to be the part of Wings of Fire, but it is not like that. You don't require any prior experience. You don't require any professional career path. You just need a positive attitude. You just need a will to be a part of Wings of Fire. Yeah, as I said, passion to learn. You must be always ready to learn. You must be always ready to volunteer for good works. That's the only thing we are requiring, willingness to explore. You have to explore which area of career is your required. Like if you want to do MBA, then you need to explore first, like MBA, is it for you? So willingness is also required and a vision to impact. You will have to do something which impacts people. Otherwise, it is not worth. So we only require a positive attitude to be a part of Wings of Fire.
So before deciding to do something, you should discover your true values, and then you should search for opportunities to apply those values practically. So now with all the information about Wings initiatives, events, vision, and prerequisites, you must be thinking that why you should apply for this professional yet most friendly organization. Firstly, the opportunity to lead. You'll get equal opportunity to work in various departments or for the initiatives that you are interested in and can sincerely work for it. All the members must treat the society as their own startup, and you are the owners of this startup. Some things might work and some things might not, but like any corporate culture, you must figure out how to make everything right at the end. And there are your teammates that will always help you and guide you to make everything right, which brings to the next reason, that is to learn and evolve. Small things like making Google Forms or even a poster, these might seem small things, but you learn to do these things, and trust me, when the opportunity comes, it requires certain skills to even complete these tiny tasks. So at Wings, I've personally experienced this. A person may go from learning to making a registration form to editing professional videos. So the opportunity to learn never ceases. Every event, every initiative brings an opportunity to develop your skills, be it communication or ideation or organization, any skill. You learn and you develop. Next reason, which is interaction and development of communication skills. Various initiatives like career counseling and sponsorship work and speaker sessions gives the Wings members to communicate and interact with a diverse variety of people and from numerous fields. For example, I personally spoke to numerous founders of startups for sponsorship work, and from people from prestigious organizations like ICMAI. Like I said, Wings is not just a society, it's like our own little startup. So not only you get to do the obvious work, but also ideate even the small things which an event needs to make it successful. Ideation is not limited to events. Whenever you feel like any initiative or anything needs to related to the society needs to be improved, or any innovative idea comes to you, we are always ready to listen to your ideas and even implement them. For example, the panel discussion recently held was an idea of your own seniors. So expanding and even expanding to Spotify was ideated by a set of seniors. Can I take 1 minute? I have to drink water.
We can move to the next slide, Dinesh. Okay, so a very obvious one, who can apply? For sure, the juniors can apply. That is batch 24 who had just joined the college. And if any of our second years also wants to apply to Wings of Fire, because it is like every year, some of the other members of the second years always want to join Wings of Fire after seeing the prosperous environment there. So yes, it is available for both batch of 2023 and the batch of 2024. Cool. Now that this thing is something amazing for you, please listen carefully. We'll be having a small treasure hunt competition for you guys for getting direct entry to the society. If you talk about the recruitment process. So I'm not gonna read out the stuff written here. You can read this. But in a nutshell, I want to tell that there will be a competition organized by Wings of Fire SRCC, due to which you guys will not have to go through all the process that we'll be telling you guys about. You will solve this treasure hunt competition, and then you will be directly entered into the society. There will be no personal interview or anything that's involved in the process. So a glimpse of what will be the competition about, it will be what you studied in your class 12, financial analysis, logical reasoning, and something like that. Yeah, you guys can take a screenshot, it will help you. And this is to inform that only top 3 persons who will solve the problems will be getting direct entry to the society, and the next 7% will be getting direct entry to the personal interview. So only the first 10 people who will be sending us the right answers will be getting an option to enter directly, either in the personal interview or directly to the society. We'll be disclosing all the further details about competition when we'll open the registrations. Yeah, we can move ahead. Okay, so this comes exciting thing. Jani.
Yeah. So moving ahead with the recruitment process, for which I think most of you would be waiting eagerly that what are we supposed to do to get into it. So the very first one is the application round. So this is a very basic one wherein we will be releasing the application forms and you will have to submit it to us. Then after the first round, the second round is of task submission. So as I've already explained you about the departments that we have. So basically you will be asked to submit your preferences in that form itself. And on that basis, you'll be getting your respective tasks that you have to submit to us. The ones who qualify the second round will be eligible for the third and the final round, that is personal interviews. And after clearing the interviews, you will be the member of Wings of Fire SRCC. And about the direct entry, already Utkarsh has explained it to you, that the winners of the Countdown can get direct entry as a member of the society.
Cool. Now we are open for questions. Any doubts of yours will be addressed by us. You can either unmute or ask the questions, or you can ask in the chat box. No, the application form is not eliminated. The task stage and the personal interviews are eliminated. Can anyone please help me like sort the questions? There are a bunch of.
Okay, I'll do. So
Yeah.
Samarth asked, how many students you will intake any approx number?
See, Samarth, there is nothing like we have already decided we'll take 50 or we'll take 100. As I said to you, we are looking for a positive attitude. You must be willing to learn. If I see any positive attitude in you, then I'll surely take you. It's not like I have reached my limit, so I'll not take you. If you are a good candidate, then Wings of Fire always welcomes you. So there's no any approx number that we'll be taking.
What's the deadline for the registration, I guess?
Okay,
People
so
are asking.
yeah, so registrations will be opening tonight, and we'll be giving around a week to register yourself. Maybe the end of December.
What will be the time commitment? Vasu asked. Time
Okay.
commitment to the society.
So if I talk in comparative basis, so time commitments will be, of course, lesser than what is required in some of the societies, because what we are inclined towards are professional courses, and we understand that professional courses require time to study. So it will be comparatively lesser, but at the same time, we'll be giving you opportunities to learn as well, because with no work, you'll not be learning anything. So yes, we'll be giving work, we'll be teaching you guys, but with a lesser stress.
Yash asked, what is EY you were talking about?
EY is one of the big four accounting firms, accounting and auditing firms. Like it is EY, KPMG, Deloitte, and PwC. These are top four firms for accounting and auditing in India.
So next question is, if someone becomes a member of the technical wing, then will she be limited to that only?
Not at all. See, if you are a part of technical, see, this is all Wings is what about, because if you are in the technical group, you may ideate anything also. Like if you want to ideate something, you can ideate it and then work on it also. We'll be giving you options to rotate on the departments. Like if you're working for technical, after 1 month, you can shift on to research also. You can shift on to marketing also. It's all upon your will. We'll be just seeing your performance over there and then rating you guys accordingly.
Next is, please confirm if we are not preparing for CA, still we are eligible.
Of course,
for
man.
applying.
Like I showed you our alumni, as we confirmed this several times, that if you are not doing CA, then also it's for you. Like our alumni have gone through IIMs, they have gone through consulting jobs at BCG. So of course they were not doing CA. So how did Wings of Fire help them? Some way or the other we helped them, and they were satisfied with us, we did develop their personality. So of course, it is for everyone. It's regardless of whether you are doing CA or not.
Earlier, someone was asking if we guide articleship, if we provide articleship guidance, and if yes, how?
See, articleship guidance, if I talk about, we are having several sessions throughout the year. Like, it's not only one, we are having it around 3 to 4 times in a year about articleships. We have our own seniors in the Big Fours as well who can guide us. We invite speakers from the Big Fours also to guide us. So articleship, see, if you're talking about CA, then we are here. CA is something which we cover from all parts. So yeah, we do articleship. What do you offer to economic student as a society? Okay, so economic students, I guess they'll be getting more to the actuarial sciences part. So we do guide actually. We have some seniors from who have cleared actuaries and who are currently preparing for it as well. So yeah, we do help them also. And you can also follow our social media handles on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook to keep a hang around what our initiatives are and what we do. Okay, any more questions? When will we get to interact with rankers for CA Inter? Okay, so rankers, 2 of the rankers are here with us. If you want to interact, you can unmute and you can interact. That's upon you. And we in CA Confluence, we also have a panel discussion with the rankers of CA who have secured AIR1 in all the 3, like they have secured AIR1 in CA Inter and CA Final as well. So we have a rankers rostrum there. There also you can interact and ask your questions.
And also we will have a CA Inter preparation session in the coming few weeks only. So over there also we will provide a detailed subject by subject advice on how to go upon that and how to manage your time and everything. So don't worry about that. We'll come with a post for that in just 1-2 weeks or so.
Yeah.
Time commitment required by the society.
Yeah, I've already told, comparatively lesser, but at the same time to learn, time to grow. Definitely, Samarth. We have regular informal meets as well. We have regular, like work meets are regular. That's very sure because it has to go. But we also do have informal meets where you can chill and relax. There's no work pressure for you. So everything is there in Wings. It will be by last December, Vishaka. Like 30 or 31st December.
Yes, the recording will be available for this orientation.
Okay, so about the competition, Countdown Conundrum. So we'll be releasing the application form for the competition either tomorrow or, like you may note, 24th of December. We'll be releasing the registration form on 24th December. And by the end of December, it will also be like concluded.
So I request all of you guys to please follow our social media handles to be updated about everything we do and all the registration forms and sessions and everything.
Definitely.
The links have been sent on the chat box and you can follow us.
Yeah, and we do have some quality videos on our YouTube channel as well. Like they can guide you immensely regarding your career. We do have good articles on our website and podcasts on Spotify. So everything is there for you. You can just scroll down.
Also, we do help anyone who messages us on Insta or LinkedIn or anywhere they need help regarding their professional life or anything. We do answer there also. So our support is not only limited to the members, but also to everyone who follows us.
A lot of students are asking about the WhatsApp groups link. So what we can do is like we can release a post for registrations because there are a lot of people who want to join.
Yes, and we can also do that post the session of CA Inter preparation.
CA members of Wings of Fire get opportunities for 2 months internships in EY. See, EY asks for it's like a competition after which it provides 2 months internships to people. So we definitely help people to get there. Like it was a case previous year, like we had helped a student reach there and he had qualified for an internship at EY. So yes, we do help for that also. There are a round of eliminations for that competition. We do help for preparing for that. Any other questions, people? After which we can wind up the session without taking much of your time. Any question, like any general question, will also be addressed. Any group for actuarial science students? See, Harsh, we don't have a group for that because the number of students doing actuarial science are very less in number. But we have a lot of seniors of ours who have qualified actuarial sciences. So if you want any help, you can definitely contact us and we can like refer you to that senior. You can definitely take help because the numbers are not so great that we can create a group for that. Okay, who is this guest? I don't know. So the basic objective of Wings of Fire is again assistance in professional courses along with the personality development you do in college. Like if you are, like I'm giving an example, if you're joining any other society, I'll not be naming. So you are into the works of that society, you are learning, okay, you are learning. But if you want to do a course alongside, if you want to do CA alongside, you want to prepare for CAT alongside, so the society doesn't recognize the need to prepare for that. But Wings of Fire does that. Yeah, if you are preparing for that, then we'll be giving a break for you. We'll be giving assistance to you. We'll be guiding you how to do that. Alongside it, we'll be also providing what the other societies provide, the personality development also. That's the whole motive of Wings of Fire.
It is basically a student to student assistance initiative. So we like the basic objective can be summarized in our two mottos, that is sharing is caring and together we learn. So by sharing is caring, we mean that we help all the students, whether pursuing professional courses or not, in order to they have to balance academics, internships, competitions, societies, and whatnot. They have to do everything in the college life. So we help them and assist them and clear any queries they have, because we all are experienced over here. We are third years now. So that is our first motive. And second, we also believe in together we learn. So we continuously provide learning opportunities in the form of conducting various workshops and events where we call many corporate leaders, and you also get to execute and ideate these events. So through that you also develop qualities of a leader. So yeah.
Yeah, and Bharat, to answer your questions, if I talk about the third years, we have a large variety of us. Like, we are doing CA, we have cleared a CA intermediate also. There are people who have cleared CFA level 1 as well. There are people who are preparing for UPSC, and some of us has given also the CAT exam held in November. So yes, there's a large variety of what we are doing, and that's the whole thing for which Wings is.
Guys, any more questions?
You can clear any doubts. If there is any doubt, you can just clear. Don't regret later that I didn't apply for this. Cool, then I think there are no more questions left. We can wind it up.
Yeah, so hope you guys found this orientation informative and it cleared all your queries, and we look forward to seeing all of you in the further rounds of interview. We would like to personally meet you there. Then we'll have an interaction.
Yeah, and Ajay, please be updated with the YouTube channel. Any sort of videos that we release will be available there only.
And you can check out the old videos too. They are very informative.
Cool, then thank you so much, guys. You all can have an exit now. It was indeed a great pleasure to meet you all. You guys were great. Hope to see you soon in our Wings official meet.